Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix all app crash problem in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, swipe down, here it is apps, click on manage apps and tap on the app that is always crashing. I am choosing YouTube. Then you have to simply click on storage, first clear cache and clear data, press back, and then you have to click on data usage. If there is written that no data and it is clicking on it, then you have to click on data usage and you have to off background data. Your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.